Hello, my name is Rachel Newman-Waddy, and I'm sharing my college technology teaching plan with you today. Here is my vision statement, and this is the take-home message that I want to give today. Using technology and learning is the key to reaching more student minds and preparing them for the digital world. At CCBC, we have the power to make that happen by investing in our instructors. What I want you to know right away is what I plan to convince you of today costs nothing. I plan to win you over to my idea. I'm selling a concept. We have all the resources in place to make this happen, and I'm going to tell you how. But first, here's the why. These are the people that we are serving. This example that I'm showing you are the demographics for my sleep technology students from last year, 2018. And looking at this information, you can see that my students span across ages and cultures. The main thing that they have in common is that they are taking classes at CCBC to better their life situation. In this slide presentation, I'm going to go over the basic concepts of how I'm going to make this plan into a reality. The major way that we introduce students to technology is through our Blackboard software platform. This platform is used for all of the face-to-face, online, and blended classes. The students can access computers in the library if they do not have one to access at home. Through Blackboard, instructors can give a variety of different types of technology assignments, but how often do they? The problem is that currently not all of our instructors have degrees in education or experience with technology at all. There are endless possibilities to incorporate technology into our lessons if we invest in our instructors. Many of our instructors are subject matter experts, which is really important and valuable. This means that our instructors have degrees or certifications in the field that they are teaching, such as nursing, sleep technology, or phlebotomy. Yet, many of our instructors do not have a 4-year degree. Most of them are not trained in teaching at all. Many of them do not know and understand STEM education, 21st century learning, project-based learning, or technology-infused lessons. So, the learning gap is teaching technology to our instructors first. For my needs analysis, I asked our instructors 10 questions regarding their use of technology. Here are the 2 questions that I found most compelling. How comfortable do you feel incorporating technology into the lesson plan? And as you can see, the responses are across the distribution of comfort level. When asked, do you give students group projects where they have to do research and submit a final project collaboratively? Half of them, the instructors, responded that they do not give lessons like this at all. So, for our key challenges, while we do have a list, all of them really lead back to empowering our faculty with the technology education that they need. In order to do this, we need a technology workshop for our instructors. Here is the professional development plan that can be a starting point for our team. This plan will get our department on the same level or launching point regarding experience with technology-infused lessons. It starts out with some beginner courses and moves up to more advanced courses in technology. The model that I will be using to evaluate if the workshop is effective is the New Kirkpatrick model. I will give a survey on how my colleagues feel that the workshop has helped them and how happy they are with the training. During the training, I will make sure that the instructors can perform the skills that they're being taught and are able to create similar lessons on their own. After the training, I will do a follow-up survey to see how well the instructors applied their technology training to their everyday lessons. In the future, if some instructors need additional one-on-one training, we can offer that as well. Here's the good news. The money is already in our budget for meetings and professional development. We have a full-time paid technology training team at the college already. We have a computer training lab, a food budget for meetings, and we can have the staff participate in this training during work hours. We can spread the training across several weeks so the instructors can fit this into their work schedules. This project is not going to cost any additional funds than we already have in our budget. All we need to do is dedicate ourselves to this improvement and innovation. As technology starts to change the way people communicate in the business world, a strong link is formed between technology and employability in the workforce. It has been well documented that varying presentations of learning material with audio, visual, and interactive technology is the best way to reach all students with different learning types. Our instructors are our foundation of education. By effectively training them, we create a better learning institution. Thank you very much for your time today.